the world was not ready for this pandemic, and we haven't prepared for these uncertainties. And artists across the globe also have been faced with this pandemic, like everybody else. But however, we are finding creative ways and creative means to survive this pandemic. For me, I'm a performing artist. I'm a dancer. I'm a teacher. And for me to wake up and don't do the usual, it's rather unfortunate. But we have to come into terms with the fact that it is with us, and we have to be mindful of the precautionary measures out there so that we can all survive this. Sometimes I go jogging. I have never jogged in my life before. I also go about my normal activities. Sometimes I do gardening, and for once, I have also revisited my pole dancing that I have forgotten like 5 years ago. So these are ways that I'm keeping myself active. I read, I teach online, I watch movies, though I'm not a movie person, but I also watch movies to make me active. We just hope that this madness will leave as soon as possible so that we can have our creative freedoms back.